That's the court. All right. That's the case number right there. Criminal charges. All right. Criminal charges. That's Pollard towing. 13th day of September 2011, 9:15 a.m. The entire contents of the defendant's vehicle, 1999 Chevy Suburban. All right. The state of Maryland stole property from me. They stole tapes. They stole videos. They stole master copies. They stole contracts. That's my lawyer, Mr. Bailey. That's mic check, because we getting ready to check y'all 2023. That's the news. These are my cameras that I've been using for the last 12, 15 years. I applied for Martin Luther King's job. If you deny you know me on earth, or you could deny you know me in heaven. That's 98 Robt, WBAL. That's me, P.O. Box 38. Seen the Khalif Browder story? Well, these are the inmates. That's Patrick Fitzgerald from the Department of Justice in Illinois. A class action lawsuit because these inmates were denied their rights. And this inmate is dead. All right? We got this. That's Marilyn Mosby. She got this. She got this. Y'all let Keith Davis go? Well, I want a trial. You're talking about voter suppression in the Democratic and the Republican Party. State Board of Elections. That's President Biden and the Department of Justice. Like I said, I was making a movie about y'all. That's me. I'm the cook in Baltimore. Shorty's Barbecue, the best of the best in 1999. That's 98 Raw, and that's Chuck Grassley. Judiciary Committee. You feel me? That's Mr. President, President Obama. I said I wrote letters to my president, and it's notarized. That's one of the movies I was making. It's about mass incarceration and the money you make off black bodies. You feel me? Mass incarceration. That's M&T Bank, the 2021 Weaver Award winner. I was making a movie about being black in America and racism in your courts. And these are the supporters of Shorty's. You feel me? That's Mr. Fields, the lawyer in Baltimore County. That's 2012. I filed a $250 million $250 million claims against Baltimore City and Baltimore County, the state of Maryland. $250 million. I filed a claim against you, Congressman Cummings, Governor O'Malley, Hardin, Mikulski, Richard McFeely, the FBI, Judge Bell, Judge Pearson, Judge Turnbull, Judge Boris, Governor Quinn, Eric Holder, CBS, Gayle King, CEO, Bank of America. Y'all got that. Feel me? I never got a trial. If y'all sending her to court in November, well, y'all got to send Scott Shellenberger to court too. Fair exchange ain't no stick up without a gun. It's making a documentary about racism, and I had white people doing it. I'm Shorty, champion for justice. That's my grill, all right? Shorty Davis says he's been reunited with his stolen grill. That's a testimonial from the Baltimore Sun in 2011. These are my clients, my customers in 2010. It's a party I was doing at my store. Like I said, October 2017, Baltimore Sun testimonial. All right, activist, cook, Shorty Davis. Like I said, I never got a trial. That's the case right there. Subpoena, all right, for Greg Bernstein. That's the IRS. We're talking about $250 million. $250 million. I need an audit from January 1st, 2008 to the present date. I own Shorty's. I own all parts of me. That's Chuck Grassley. All right. Like I said, I was making a movie about Baltimore, a movie about Ivan Bates and Shorty. I traded the penitentiary. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation cotton for cocaine. You made our kids the cash crop. Ivan Bates been knowing about this since 2014. Ivan Bates, Frank Boston, your warrior lawyer. Yeah. So 2023, let's take this to the grand jury. Everything that you got to turn over. The new face of old Jim Crow. Mass incarceration in your prison industry. Your crime bill that you pass ain't gonna pass. We talking about entrapment. You got evidence and knowledge, you got to turn that over. Or you become a part of it. Parties to a crime. Unit rule. We're going to charge you just like you charge us. Ain't no law against making a movie. Covered under the First Amendment of the Constitution. Freedom of speech.